Imagine you are working as a quality manager in a company and there are some persistent defects in the shop floor, right? These are defects which are there for so many years. You are taking so many measures to reduce them or to eliminate them, but you are not able to reduce those defects. Why? You have done your plan, do, check, act, PDCA cycle also, but you are still not able to completely eliminate the defects. Why? Today in this video, we are going to learn about a tool called LAMDA cycle. Come, let's get started. Hi there, this is Anand, your trusted lean manufacturing coach, and in this video we are going to learn about LAMDA cycle. But before we start, I want to update you about our new initiative where we will ask a question at the end of our videos, and the person who is answering all the questions, will get a small reward from our team. So in this video also we have a question for you. So please watch the video till the end and answer the question. You can be the lucky winner for this particular month. So what is this LAMDA cycle? LAMDA cycle is developed by Dr. Alan Ward, which refers to look, ask, modify, discuss and act. It's in a circular format, it's like a cycle, LAMDA cycle. Some facts about LAMDA cycle are: it's a lean product and process development tool, and it is practiced in Toyota's continuous improvement system during the 80s and 90s. It is a knowledge creation cycle, and it's a slightly upgraded version of the standard PDCA cycle. Because in the PDCA cycle, generally people have some confusion as to between this do and act. No, the planning is very simple, straightforward. Doing is, right, when we do some implementation, etc. We do some course correction, and then checking and acting. So what is the difference between this do and act? So generally sometimes people get confused, and more guidance were needed to execute the PDCA cycle. These are the challenges in PDCA cycle. That's why this LAMDA cycle is created. So in the LAMDA cycle, the first one is L, that is look. The first step, which denotes look and see. So in the traditional lean manufacturing parlance, we use the word go to Gemba, right? Go and see. So this is practicing the first hand observations. So it ensures that people will have the best possible information to solve the problem. See, most of the problems which happen in the shop floor, right, you cannot solve it by sitting in the boardroom. So the people have to go there and see. Then only they will have to touch the product, defects, right, analyze it, and then only we can come to a conclusion. So this is the first step, go and see. That is the first stage, that is called L. The second one is ask. What are some of the information which currently you don't have but you want that information? Only after those informations you will be able to understand the problem in a better way. And generally there are two important questions to ask. One is the why, right? Ask why 5 times. There is a standard why technique is there, and also the root cause analysis, right? Answer with fishbone diagram, root cause analysis. So these are the tools you can use to get more data, right? Ask more and more whys to find the root causes, right? And the next question also is important, which is who. Do the research on who can have the possible solution, who can give some ideas to solve this issue. So that is also very important. And the third one is model. What is this modeling? Now you visited the shop floor, you got a lot of information, you understood the root cause. Now can you create a visual information, right? Graphs, charts, simple tables, diagrams or flow charts, so that the people in the team, and once they understand, they can also come out with some solutions, right? The fourth phase is called discuss. This discuss phase is where people discuss and come out with some solutions. Generally, it has 3 set of people. The one is the people who are impacted by the issue, and the second set can be who have come across the same problem, right, in other areas. Those people can come and give some solutions, and who makes the final decision. So these 3 people, we generally in the industry we call it as a cross-functional team, right? So it's more or less the same, right? At the end of the discussion, a plan for the implementation will be put forth by the team, and finally act. This act is taking action on the decisions and follow through on the implementation plan, and the team will collect the results and review it, and in case there is any other improvement needed, they will again create this LAMDA cycle. So it's like a cycle, right? So similar to plan, do, check, act, it is slightly richer in terms of the data collection and creating a visual information, etc. Let me recap the LAMDA cycle. L for look, A for ask, M for model, D for discuss, and A for act. So this is the LAMDA cycle. And what are the benefits of Lambda cycle? It drives the continuous improvement activities in the company, and it enhances problem solving capabilities, and it helps organization to respond effectively to new challenges and opportunities, and it provides a framework for iterative learning, right? And this Lambda cycle also helps in achieving the sustenance of these initiatives. So these are all the typical benefits of Lambda cycle. I hope this particular video was very useful for you. You can click the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. You can also subscribe to our channel. You can share this video with your friends and contacts and team members who want to really learn and upgrade their career. If you are interested in learning lean manufacturing, we have a lean champion course, which is a free course, and it is a 7-day course with certification. I am giving the link in the description. You can join the course. And if you are interested to learn more about lean, like in-depth about lean manufacturing, you can consider joining our lean master course. It's a 30-day program where we cover basics of lean, value stream mapping, SMED, POKA-OK, TPM, TQM, 5S, Kaizen, etc. in a very in-depth manner. And there is another program called Manufacturing Leadership Program. It covers the foundations, or it covers the topics which are essential for a shop floor manager to learn and know. For example, production, purchase, maintenance, quality, 5S, soft skills, Excel skills, PowerPoint skills, HR basics, and there are about 17 topics in Manufacturing Leadership Program. Again, both these courses are 999 rupees, and you can take those courses, and more than 2,000 people have enrolled for these courses. The links are in the description. If you are a manufacturing professional, mechanical engineer, or a shop floor manager, assistant manager, these 2 courses will help you to go to the next level in your career. So please consider joining these courses. And before I sign off, the question time, right? What does M denote in Lambda cycle? Option A, it's machine runtime. Option B, it's model. Or option C, manpower. Please answer this question in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. I'll talk to you in the next video. See you. Bye.